Hello everyone, this is Native Man. In this video, we are going to answer this radical problem. Square root of 12 minus square root of 3 is equal to. So we have different choices. Letter A, 3. Letter B, 12. Letter C, square root of 3. And letter D, square root of 12. You can pause this video and try to answer. Then, later on, you can check your answer by continuing this video. Okay, so let's check your answer if that is correct. So we're going to subtract radicals. So the rule in subtracting radicals is that you're going to subtract radicals if the radicand are equal or the same. So in this case, the radicand are 12 and 3. So they are not the same. So we cannot subtract directly. But how we can simplify? First, we're going to simplify square root of 12. We're going to remove the perfect nth powers of 12. We can factor 12. So that will become square root of the factors are can be 4 times 3. Okay, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And 4 is a perfect square. And just bring down minus square root of 3. Okay? Next, if the operation in the radicand is multiplication, you can separate, can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 3. And then again, bring down minus square root of 3. So in this case, we can simplify square root of 4 and square root of 4 is equal to 2. Then just bring down, you cannot simplify square root of 3. Then again, bring down minus square root of 3. So this time, notice that the radicand are equal or the same square root of 3. Okay? So if the radicand are equal, then you can subtract the whole number before. So the whole number here is 2. How about the whole number here? So if none, then meaning to say this is 1. So the whole number here is 1. Okay? So you can subtract 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And then you just copy the radical part, square root of 3. So the answer is 1 square root of 3. Or if the whole number is 1 before, then you can remove it. So you just answer as square root of 3. Okay, so from the choices, where is square root of 3? So square root of 3 is this one, letter C. So congratulations if you got the correct answer. If not, subscribe me for more video lesson. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe if you're not done yet.